Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add Cloudflare to your WordPress website. Now, before we dive in, I want to give you a quick idea of why this is important. Cloudflare is a service that can help make your website faster, more secure, and more reliable by protecting it from attacks and managing your traffic. Even if you're not super tech-savvy, don't worry. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. By the end of this video, you'll be able to connect your WordPress site to Cloudflare and enjoy the benefits of improved speed and security. So grab your laptop, open your WordPress dashboard, and let's get started. First thing we do is open our WordPress tab. And then go to the right side of the screen and hover over the Plugins button and click Add Plugin. After that, a new screen displays, where there is a search bar at the right side of the screen, where we are going to search up Cloudflare. And then scroll downward and click Install Now for App for Cloudflare. After installing it, click Activate, which is written in blue. Wait for a little bit. And a new screen displays, where we will look for it, and then click Settings, which takes us to a new screen where we will be able to customize it the way we prefer. After that, we can click Save Changes, which is in blue. Before we wrap up, I just want to quickly mention that using Cloudflare isn't just about speed or security. It also gives you helpful insights about your website traffic. You can see where your visitors are coming from, monitor attacks, and even manage caching to make your pages load faster. It's really a great tool to help you grow your website and keep it safe. So take your time exploring Cloudflare's dashboard after following this tutorial. You'll find lots of useful features that can make a big difference over time. And that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.